put that bag down, ma'am.
Put that bag down.
Put it down. Put the bag down. Put your hands up. Stop moving. Put your hands all the way up.
All the way up.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Put your hands all the way up. I didn't tell you to move them. Clear?
Hey, chill.
You might have a gun.
Going to jail, they're gonna...
No, you're not. You don't know yet.
Well, what do you do, sir?
You don't know. We don't know yet you're going to jail.
Hold on.
That's just my husband. He didn't do it again. Please.
Does anybody have a gun on them?
No, he doesn't.
Hey, you! Put your hands up!
Put your hands up.
Put your hands up! Put your fucking hands up now! Use the... 45 shots fired! I said to put your fucking hands up!
I thought you were my friend. Oh, shit.
Put your fucking hands up!
No, that's my baby. It's my baby.
I told you to stop fucking moving!
I thought you were my...
I told you to do not fucking reach!
My bad. I thought you were my friend. My bad, G.
Hey!
No, but my... What's up, babe? Ah!
Get your head out!
They're right there. They're right there.
45 will never take.
Ah! Babe!
Send HFD. We got one gunshot wound to the buttock.
Babe!
All right. Hold on.
Babe!
Get us in home.
Babe!
Check on him. Yeah.
Babe! Oh, fuck.
Get down. Why the fuck did you reach?
I thought you were my friend.
Why the fuck did you reach?
I didn't know y'all came down here. I thought you were my friend.
That's why we're shining lights, right? That's why you have your fucking girls in handcuffs. That's not why you fucking reach.
No, I can't see.
Why is your reach?
I'm blind, bro. I can't see, bro.
I told you to stop.
No, that's not.
Come on. Time check for a tourniquet on the right leg. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Put your hands all the way up. I didn't tell you to move them.
Clear.
Hey, chill.
You good? Put that in your back.
Going to jail, everyone.
No, you're not. You don't know yet.
Well, what do I do, sir?
You don't know. We don't know yet you're going to jail or not. Okay?
That's just my husband. He didn't do it again. Please.
Hey.
No, he didn't.
Hey, you! Put your hands up!
Put your hands up.
Put your hands up!
Stop. Hey. Shots fired. Shots fired. Stop. Don't.
Yes, sir, hand up!
You want to walk?
Yes, sir, hand back!
Yes, sir.
Come on. 2-1, shots fired. Sending Yamas to the location.